Innovation is critical to staying competitive and driving meaningful progress. At Dentsu, we believe creativity is the playground for incredible innovation. That's why we want to introduce you to our playground, Id8. Id8 is Dentsu's suite of ideation products that help your teams flex their creative and collaborative muscles. With our 3 core products, Id8 HACK, Id8 Sprint, and Id8 Innovation Hub, your business will have access to some of the most influential forward thinkers in the industry, allowing your brand to transcend traditional marketing boundaries that keep it from truly shining. Id8 Sprint is a 1-day ideation workshop that brings together 1 to 2 dozen cross-functional and cognitively diverse stakeholders to dream big solutions that will both solve a business challenge and meet a customer need. Id8 HACK is a scaled ideation platform based on the open innovation belief that a good idea can come from anyone, anywhere. A challenge is sent out to hundreds or even thousands of people across your organization, Dentsu, and partners, and then converged and built upon. Id8 HUB is an ongoing innovation platform that is the central virtual home of innovation for your company. It is the workspace where ideas can be continuously stored, adapted, built out, and scaled across your organization. Id8 pulls together subject matter experts across sectors, disciplines, and geographies to help build and curate the best possible solutions for your brand. Whatever the challenge, from developing a new disruptive solution for your business, launching a new product, or driving big ideas that will make your campaign stand out, Id8 is here to drive big, market-shaping solutions.